Hello students, hopefully that you done your homework that I give you as a practical and perform and move the taskbar and log your taskbar also. So we are going to the next topic of this chapter. We learn the taskbar, how to manage the desktop using the taskbar. We are going to now to the next topic, that is the shortcut. What do you know what is the meaning of shortcut? For example, you want to go to your school to home, simple, but there is another way that we using of that you can reach very fast from that. आपको आपके घर पे जाना हो और आपके पास सिंपल जो रेगुलर रूटिंग होता है उससे भी शॉर्ट रास्ता जो हो जिसमें से आपका टाइम ड्यूरेशन कम लगता हो, तो देखना यही है कि आप वही रूट चूज़ करोगे जिसमें आपका टाइम कम जाता हो, राइट. सो सेम थिंग for the desktop, for the shortcut, that is also called, you can tell that ma'am I am using the shortcut to go my home, right. So for that on the desktop we are also doing that thing. We are doing the shortcut means अगर जिससे आपका टाइम ज़्यादा बच जाए, आपको कोई एप्लीकेशन बार बार यूज़ करनी हो तो उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे, शॉर्टकट बनाओगे जिसकी वजह से आपको उस फोल्डर में जाके उसको ढूंढना ना पड़े, या फिर स्टार्ट बटन पे क्लिक करके उस एप्लीकेशन को ढूंढना ना पड़े. डायरेक्टली आप उस डॉक्यूमेंट को, उस फोल्डर को, उस फाइल को डायरेक्टली डेस्कटॉप पे रख दो जिसकी वजह से ईजीली आप उसको फाइंड कर पाओ, इवन आपका टाइम भी कंज्यूम हो. So what is the shortcut? A shortcut is an icon that can be used to open application directly by double clicking it instead of the selecting from the start menu. डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट मेनू में से जाने की जगह पे डेस्कटॉप पे उस पर डबल क्लिक करके डायरेक्टली आप उसको ओपन कर सकते हो. The lower left corner of the shortcut has a small jump arrow. दिस इज़ द सिम्बॉल ऑफ द शॉर्टकट. यहाँ पे आपको जो एरो दिख रहा है वो शॉर्टकट का सिम्बॉल है. अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में या फिर आपके लैपटॉप में ऐसा सिम्बॉल दिख रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि उस फाइल को शॉर्टकट किया हुआ है डायरेक्टली ओपन करने के लिए. दिस आर द सम शॉर्टकट एग्जाम्पल्स. यहाँ पे आप सब में देख सकते हो कि कॉर्नर में एक कॉर्नर एरो लगा हुआ है लेफ़्ट साइड पे, जिसको हम शॉर्टकट सिम्बॉल भी बोल सकते हैं. So let's check how it works. So this is my screen and I am going to find out this is my folder. Okay, I want this document on my desktop just because I have to open this folder and find out the document also. So in this condition what should I have to do? I have to do directly shortcut this document to direct on my desktop. So right click on this, how to create a shortcut. So first we learn the steps for that. Step 1, click the start button and click all programs. Place the pointer on the application and the right click. A drop down list will be appear. Its shortcut is not only for the application or the software. You can also perform your also shortcut your documents on the desktop also. Select the send to and desktop and create the shortcut. Okay, so this is simply an image. I will show you the both thing, document as well as application also. So I show you the first document. This is my document, class5.docs. means I want this document on the desktop. What should I have to do? Just select this file, click on this, simple one click, right click, and here you can see that send it to option. When you click on this you can see the many options here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you have to choose the third option, that is the desktop, and in the bracket you can see that create a shortcut. You have to just click on that, and on the desktop you can also show that. Okay, here you can see the small arrow also, and that file name also consider as the shortcut just because that will be comes from the shortcut of the folder. Okay, if you want to shortcut of any application, here I can also shortcut some of the application, that is the Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. These are the some shortcut, Pivot Animator, VLC. If you want to do the shortcut of other applications, then you can click on the all programs. Here are all my programs. You can see that. If you want to shortcut this one, video, so right click on that. Sorry, that will be opened by mistake. That is my mistake. From that I'm not going to do that. So okay, right click Internet Explorer. Already it will be shortcut, so options will be not come. Okay, this is also from the start. There are many more applications. Using of them you can do the shortcut. If you have a Windows 7, that will be easy. I have a Windows 10.1, so it will be quite difficult for me. So using of that, like that, if you click on the all programs, select your application, right click on this send to, and you have to select the desktop to create your shortcut. Next is the, before the next, I want to show my screen. You can see in my screen that I put one image that is called the wallpaper of computer. If you want to change the wallpaper of computer, you can also change that. So next is the next management is the changing the wallpaper. What is the wallpaper? The background picture displayed on the desktop is called the wallpaper. Step for changing the wallpaper. Step 1, right click on the desktop and select the personalize option. The personalization window will be appear like this. So I will show you the practical. Okay, sorry. Step 2, click on the desktop background and select the new wallpaper image from the available list. I will show you the direct demo for that. Step 3, then save changes and you can change your desktop. Okay, this is my desktop. Now I am going to change my wallpaper. You can also change. Right click first at the blank area. You have to right click, select the personalize option, maximize. Okay, so whenever you select the personalization, so there will be one option come, that is the desktop background. When you click on this screen will be appear to you. Okay, so you can select by your choice from the picture location. On the desktop I have a 4 images are there, 1 2 3 and 4. I'm just minimize, that's why you can see the image. Okay, when I select the images, you can see that background will be changed here. I select that will become change. If I just filled, yeah, then it will becomes directly filled on the desktop. Fit and stretch, complete, perfect. Tile means it will be converted into small parts and filled your desktop. And center means it will be comes to the original image size. But I don't want this. I want to select if you have a picture library, your photos color. I have many folders, right? So I can select from that. Or if you don't have photos, then by default photos are also there here. You can see the images also here. There are many images for that. Here there are all pictures are selected. So here also that will be changed by automatically. You can see at the background also they will be changed after every 10 seconds by themselves. You can also do that. You can change by yourself. if you don't want to change them by 10 seconds, or you want to just put only one image, then you can just select only one. That will become only one image here, like this, right? If you want to do select this one, but if you want to select all the, then press the control and select all the things. When you do that, this will become, and shuffles will become, is that will become one by one. So these are the called the desktop image. How to change the desktop? Deselect them. By deselecting, only one image is come, and you can, when you click on the save changes, your image will be changed on the background, like this. Okay, so this is the simple way how to change your wallpaper. You can also put your own image by selecting the location of your image, and also you have a one task for that. You can change your desktop image by putting your own image. आपको अपनी ही image wallpaper पे रखनी है और उसकी फ़ोटो क्लिक करके मुझे भेजनी है. And also create a one shortcut on the desktop that will be considered in the photo that you changed by your picture. Okay, so students, I am going to end the video here. Have a good day. Bye everyone.